Asian governments continue to seek ways to ease supply shortages spurred by the conflict in the Middle East. India earlier ordered households to switch to a piped gas connection in areas where they've been installed or risk losing access to cooking gas supply. About 90% of India's imported cooking gas travels through the Strait of Hormuz, which is facing a massive backlog due to the war on Iran. Ishan Garg filed this report for CNA from New Delhi.
Neighborhoods like these in India are seeing an infrastructural shift. Officials are racing to equip dense urban neighborhoods with piped gas connections. In March alone, officials say 250,000 new piped gas connections have been provided already. It's a project born out of sheer necessity as the country faces a cooking gas cylinder crunch. India imports about 60% of its cooking gas from abroad, and nearly all of it travels through the Strait of Hormuz. And shifting to piped gas connections could mean that India can use its own domestic natural gas to manufacture cooking gas and rely less on imported liquefied petroleum gas or LPG. For a month now, its supplies have been strained, and even though 4 Indian-flagged tankers have been cleared to pass through the region, it's not nearly enough. The government says it is prioritizing domestic cylinders and claims that not a single distributor in the country has run out. Still, in some areas, local residents say it's hard to procure this essential item.
4 दिन से हम लोग लाइन लगा रहे हैं, 5 बजे से सुबह से लाइन लगाते हैं। 4 दिन से ड्यूटी का भी छुट्टी करके हम लाइन लगा रहे हैं। और 4 दिन से आ रहे हैं, जब तक लाइन जाता है आधे पे जाता है, इमरजेंसी बंद कर देते हैं। डेली लाइन में लगते हैं, दे नहीं रहा। अब आता हम ड्यूटी काम करेंगे, मजदूरी करेंगे या लाइन में लगेंगे।
For those without a gas connection registered in their name, like a lot of the people here who are migrant workers or daily laborers, the options are running out entirely. It's forcing some to turn to more polluting fuels that are more easily available. The government first allowed and is now urging people to use biomass, wood and kerosene.
लकड़ से बन रहा भैया, चुन के लाया, लकड़ से बना रहे। क्या करें, बच्चे को तो पेट 2 रोटी के वक्त देना है, बच्चे को तो 2 रोटी बना के जैसे भी दिया मैंने।
The government says though supply is challenged and delivery cycles are now longer, it's not run out and is penalizing businesses that might be hoarding or illegally charging a premium on gas cylinders. It's also urging people to book online and not crowd distributors.
मैं देशवासियों से दोबारा प्रार्थना करना चाहूंगी, अपील करना चाहूंगी कि अफवाहों पर विश्वास न करें। हमारे पास पर्याप्त मात्रा में ईंधन मौजूद है और उन तक ईंधन पहुंचाने के लिए भारत सरकार हर स्तर पर प्रयत्नरत है।
Those who can afford it are switching to induction cooktops, but their demand too is too high and the supply is unable to cope up with it.
पब्लिक साइड स्टैंड भी लेके चल रही है कि कभी इन केस फ्यूचर में शॉर्ट हो जाए, नहीं मिला तो एक साइड स्टैंड करके लेके चल रहे हैं वो कि इंडक्शन आ जाए या कुछ भी सिगड़ी लेके रख रहे हैं वो।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has warned the challenges here could deepen if the war in West Asia drags on.
कोरोना के समय भी एकजुटता से ऐसी चुनौतियों का सामना कर चुके हैं। अब हमें फिर से उसी तरह तैयार रहने की आवश्यकता है।
India says it is now diversifying fuel procurement, turning to countries like the United States and Australia for supplies and ramping up domestic refinery output to cushion itself from a conflict thousands of miles away from its shores. For CNA, I'm Ishan Garg in New Delhi.